Hey guys, Gracie here. Today I'm going to be planting a cold-tolerant herb container garden. Ever since last summer, I've really loved the idea of growing my own herbs and veggies. It's a simple and fun project with lots of benefits. Last summer, I grew some tomatoes and peppers along with dill, mint, and basil, and I was amazed at how successful they were. Herbs are so great to have on hand for cooking and cocktails. What I didn't know is that there are a variety of herbs that you can grow in a container now that can withstand the chillier temperatures. I stopped by My English Gardens to pick up some of my favorites. Today I'm going to be planting in this rectangular container, which is perfect for herbs. Now, a few things to keep in mind for your herb garden. A good soil is always important. I'm using Proven Winners potting soil today, which is specifically designed for containers. And this is my go-to. Remember that garden soil, topsoil, and soil from the ground are too heavy and they won't allow for proper drainage. Fertilizer is also key for making sure your plants thrive. For my herb garden, I'm using Osmocote, which is a time-release fertilizer that feeds continuously for weeks. This one should be added into the soil when planting, so I've already mixed mine in here. And now the herbs. I picked up some Italian parsley, lavender, and thyme. Such a nice mix of scents that I love. Let's get started. All right, so I am going to start with my parsley in the middle here just because it's the biggest one and it acts like a good anchor kind of in the center. So I'm going to take that out. It smells so good. And going to kind of loosen these roots at the bottom just a little bit and simply put it into place. Just like that. Okay, next I'm going to do the lavenders. I'm obsessed with this. So simply pop those out, and we'll do those ones on this side. Perfect. And last but not least, the thyme. Perfect. And there you have it. How easy is that? Now, one good tip I learned from the experts at English Gardens: if the weather takes a major turn, like a really big drop in temperature or a super cold and windy day, simply pull your container into the garage or the front door so it doesn't freeze. And you can bring it back out when the cold passes. Stop into any English garden store today to welcome the spring season and get started on all of your gardening projects. For products used in this video, check out the description below. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Happy planting! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.